Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps access permission to contacts on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Privacy. Then in Privacy, you want to go down and tap on Contacts. In here, go down the list and choose which apps can have access to contacts. So let's say if you do not want TikTok to access to your contacts list, you can switch it off, and that will deny TikTok to go through your contacts app and look for your information such as other contacts, phone number, email address, and so on. So you can turn it on or off in here. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.